Alright, what is up, ladies and gentlemen? We are in Georgia going to fish. Just filled up the boat. We're going to fish Clark's Hill today. Apparently a pretty good lake. Grabbing ice, grabbing some drinks, stuff like that. Yeah, should be pretty cool. Had to get my Georgia fishing license. It was about $52.50, I think, for the year. But I'll probably be back down here. So sorry about the loud truck. We're at a gas station, obviously. So, but yeah, I'm excited. Spotted bass here, largemouth, big striper that we could hook into, or even just go fishing for. By the way, we got my family with me. We got Michael with me. I was not expecting the water to be this clear.
Really?
Not at all. Going.
Nice. Nice.
Came off. All right. Yeah.
Just bouncing up and down.
Yeah. I got one tied up. I'll let you use.
Right.
Yeah. I almost fell in a few times in Florida.
Oh hell no! Gators out there?
Well,
Hell no.
water's only 4 foot. I mean, it's pretty easy to get back up into this boat. That's a good thing.
You better be in and out, barely get wet.
Yeah. Some of them locals are crazy. They'll get in the water, like, and pull their boat through super shallow areas to get to other areas.
Yeah, I see them doing that crap too. I'm like, not this guy.
Oh, yo, there's a school bass right here.
Damn it, I was in machine. Where's that drop shot at?
There was about 7 or 8 of them. I got a power bait minnow set up on that guy. So that's actually really good because that minnow is the size of what I've seen in the water. Yeah, if they're schooled up like that, probably spend some time in this area for a while. Because if you can get one to bite, you can get them like consecutively. It's actually a really good choke point for them. Oh, there goes a bunch of shad. Some rocks in the water up there. That wind's blowing us right along. Going.
Oh, nice.
I'm skiing him across. He's coming in. Look at that, guys.
There you go.
I'm pretty sure I didn't do that to the back. Maybe. Isn't that crazy? You ever caught one of those? I'm getting back in the water because he's messed up. He didn't get caught in the boat. There's nothing to cut him in here. He might have been up against a rock or something. I don't know. Or another fish tried to eat him on the way in.
This one's just best to like slow turn.
So with the jerk bait, you're actually supposed to rip it.
Really?
Yeah, so you toss it out, you're supposed to go like this. Like your slack line, you reel, but as you reel, you twitch it. Like that. Twitch.
Really fast.
No. So look, watch. You reel.
Gotcha.
That's how you're supposed to work it. I mean, if you want, you can just reel it. It doesn't really matter. But the real way to do it's like that. You just kind of like slow reel it and twitch. Slow reel it, twitch. Going. Oh my God. He was hardly hooked. I seen him open his mouth and I only had one hook in him. Oh my God.
That was a good one too.
Yeah, it was about 1.5 pounds. He hit almost at the boat. Oh, is that it right there? Just stuck my rod down there to get it off. It was stuck on the log. What'd you put on? Oh, that thing again? Yeah. Got one.
What?
Yep.
Nice.
I'll try to come in. Sorry about that. He was coming in though.
Nice.
Oh, we really got him. Look at that. He ate the whole thing.
Nice.
Nice. Look at that. Finally got one. He's skinny. He's not healthy, tell you that. He's hungry. We just took his meal from him pretty much. Here we go, we're gonna let him go. Yeah, he's skinny, he's not healthy. He needs to eat. It's probably one of the most unhealthiest fish I've seen in a while. Swims away.
Teased the shit out of him.
I know. He's like, oh, that's like a steak dinner for me.
Alright, what's your expertise, what I should be using right now?
Oh, that's good. Because you got that, you got the drop shot, and I mean, right now if they're chasing bait, that lipless you got on should be great. I mean, it's basically just a different version of what I got, so. Moving bait. Oh, it's under the log?
Yeah, probably right at the bottom, so I jerked it and went straight to the bottom.
Oh, gotta hit bottom. I'll get this out.
Take it.
Not the first time I've done this.